Did you know that people have been making pancakes for over 30,000 years? Pancakes are an ancient food. They are eaten all over the world. It's true. From France to Japan, everyone loves a good pancake. But the best kind of pancake? Fluffy pancakes, of course. Let's learn how to make them. Get ready for some serious pancake fun. Fluffy pancakes are like little clouds on a plate. They are soft and airy. Each bite melts in your mouth. They are simply the best. You can eat them for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You can add toppings like fruit or chocolate chips. So many possibilities. Before we start cooking, let's gather our ingredients. This is the first and most crucial step to ensure our pancake making process goes smoothly. Having everything ready and within reach will make the experience enjoyable and stress-free. Don't worry, you probably have most of these in your kitchen already. These are common pantry staples that you likely use in your everyday cooking and baking. Flour. This is the base of our pancakes. It provides the structure and texture, making our pancakes light and fluffy. Sugar, for a touch of sweetness. It balances the flavors and gives our pancakes that delightful hint of sugar. Baking powder. This is our secret ingredient for fluffiness. It helps the pancakes rise and become airy. Salt, just a pinch to balance the flavors. It enhances the taste and brings out the sweetness. Milk, to make our batter smooth. It adds moisture and helps create a creamy texture. Eggs, these add richness and help the pancakes rise. They bind the ingredients together and give the pancakes a tender crumb. Butter, for a lovely golden color and delicious flavor. It adds a rich buttery taste and helps to cook the pancakes evenly. Now that we have everything, let's move on to the fun part, making the batter. Mixing these ingredients together is where the magic happens. Get ready to create the perfect pancake batter that will result in delicious, fluffy pancakes every time. Section 4. Mixing magic making the batter. This is where the magic begins and we transform simple ingredients into a delicious pancake batter. This is where the magic happens. The key to perfect pancakes is in the batter, so let's make sure we get it just right. Grab a large bowl and let's get mixing. A spacious bowl will give us plenty of room to combine our ingredients without making a mess. First, mix the dry ingredients. This includes our flour, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Put the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt in the bowl. These dry ingredients form the base of our batter. Use a whisk to mix them together. Make sure they are well combined to ensure even distribution of the baking powder and salt. In another bowl, whisk together the milk. The milk adds moisture and richness to our batter. Eggs and melted butter. The eggs will help bind the ingredients while the butter adds flavor and tenderness. Now, slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. This step is crucial for achieving the right consistency. Mix gently with a spoon or spatula. Don't overmix. Overmixing can make the pancakes tough. A few lumps are okay. These lumps will disappear as the batter rests, and during cooking, our pancake batter is ready. It should be thick but pourable with a few lumps here and there. Now let's cook those fluffy pancakes. Pour the batter onto a hot griddle and watch them rise and turn golden brown. Section 5. Pancake Perfection Cooking Tips. Today, we're diving into the art of making the perfect pancake. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, these tips will help you achieve pancake perfection every time. First things first, get your pan nice and hot. This is crucial because a hot pan ensures that your pancakes cook evenly and develop that beautiful golden brown color. Add a little butter, just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. The butter not only prevents sticking but also adds a rich flavor to your pancakes. Now for the fun part, pouring the batter. Make sure your batter is smooth and lump-free for the best results. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter onto the hot pan for each pancake. This amount ensures that your pancakes are the perfect size and cook evenly. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side or until golden brown. Patience is key here, don't rush the process. You'll see little bubbles appear on the surface. That's when you know it's time to flip. These bubbles are a sign that the pancake is cooking through. Use a spatula to flip the pancakes carefully. A gentle hand ensures that your pancakes stay intact and don't break apart. Cook for another minute or two on the other side. This final step ensures that the pancake is cooked all the way through and has a nice, even texture. See? Perfectly golden and fluffy pancakes. Serve them hot with your favorite toppings, whether it's syrup, fresh fruit, or a dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy your delicious homemade pancakes. Section 6. Enjoy your pancake party. Stack those beautiful pancakes high on a plate. Add a pat of butter on top and watch it melt. Drizzle on some syrup, add some fresh fruit, or get creative with your favorite toppings. Pancakes are best enjoyed with people you love, so gather your family and friends and dig in. Enjoy your pancake party.